Stop shining your light at me. It's me. I'm not a Demogorgon. I'm not a freaking demo dog. What? Come on, dude. Stop shining your light at me. Come on. You know it's me. Come on. What are you doing all by yourself? Huh? Yeah, I know. This isn't what we're used to. This isn't Earth. Well, it is, but it isn't. Come on, dude. I got a flashlight. We're good. We're fine. Of course I have weapons. Let me show you my weapons, dude. Come on. Look at YouTube. Don't take this down. I have this, dude. Come on. We're safe. Yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know how we're gonna get out of here. No idea. But they're stickers. Or patches. They're patches. Come on, man. I don't know what's Stranger Thing in. I've never seen Stranger Things. And come on. Hawkins High School. What is this? What? This is just like where we are. Except we're in the underworld. You think you got bitten or something? Oh, come on. It was probably just a bat. You're fine. Hold on. Let me check. Stay still. Stop moving. How am I supposed to do this if you won't stop moving? Okay. Stay still. Yes, I'm looking. I'm making sure. I'm checking to see if you're not infected with rabies or whatever. I mean, who knows what those bats could have? Stay still. Follow the light. Follow the light. Come on. Look. You seem fine. It honestly just seems like a scratch. A little scratch. Yeah, no, you're fine. I say you're fine. I mean, while we're down here, we might as well look at the positive, right? Because what's gonna do looking at the negative side of everything? Come on. You don't even know how to learn. I don't even know how well we're gonna survive down here. I mean, I don't know how long the flashlight battery is gonna last. I have no clue. How am I supposed to know how to get back? I have no clue. I don't know where Elle is, so we're just gonna have to live with it. Well, at least we got our little pocket knife, okay? We got our little pocket knife. This thing will save us, obviously. If there's anything weird, anything suspicious, we'll be fine, I promise. Do you see that? I think it's a Demogorgon. Stay still. Don't move. I think we're good. Stay focused on our weapon. This thing will stop us. It'll protect us, I swear. Look at it. Look at how big this thing is. It'll protect us from the Demogorgon, I promise you, dude. Yeah, of course I'm real. I'm not in your head, I promise. Just listen to the sounds of these taps. Yeah, it's real. I'm real. Look, real. None of this is fake. Or is it? No, I'm just kidding. I'm really trying not to give any spoilers. Sorry, I just went out of character, but I'm not trying to. Just stay focused. Think of positive things. Yes, everything here is real. I mean, come on. Look at it. We've got a Hawkins High School patch. Look, maybe you got one and you just forgot about it and you just lost it. And you do forget things, you lose them. I know you. Where are the others? Do you know? What are you looking at me? Where's your walkie-talkie? Don't you have one? Come on. You can't tell me that you actually lost your walkie-talkie. Well, that's why I'm so mad. It's because I lost mine. I don't know where it went. I mean, it's not my fault I lost it. Those bats are scary, dude. Stop looking at me like it's my fault. It's not my fault. It's your fault. Okay, maybe it's my fault, but whatever. We're down here and we need to figure out a way out. Maybe I can take my flashlight and look to see if we can get an opening out to the real world. I barely remember how we got in here. No, man. I don't know. Oh, it was the tree. That's what it was. I fell down here. It was kind of a slippery way. I fell down here and I hit my head. Dude, I hit my head, so I didn't remember. But let me look to see if there's any openings in the walls. Help me look. Do you have any weapons on you? Come on, man. I can't find it. Oh, wait. Hold on. That might be something right there. Yeah, right there, right there. Focus, look. Over there. Turn your head. Look. Right there. Yeah, right there. See it? See my flashlight? Look at where my flashlight is pointing. Over there. That way. Do you not have eyes? Well, yeah, now you see it after I pointed out like 50 times. We could probably crawl through there. Yeah, if we're lucky. I mean, you're a little on the chunky side, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but come on. You can slip through there. Come on, lord ass. You can fit through there. Yeah, I called you lord ass. What you gonna do about it, lord ass? Oh, you're gonna whack me in the head with a rollerblade? Well, get over it, okay? Just look at the opening. Look at the opening. Look at the opening. See my hand? I'm real. Look at my hand. Oh, light is so cool. Look over there. Yeah, we could get through that way. But come on, man. Now that we're down here, we have to be very careful. We have to be very careful. Yeah, we have to look around, make sure that there's no bats or anything. Yeah, I don't know. Well, okay, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? When you're trying to squeeze through that hole, don't be loud, don't fall, don't slip and fall, okay? Maybe that's not the smartest choice ever, you know? I don't know, man, it sounds like there's a Demogorgon near. Do you see that? Look at that way, that way. Follow my hand that way, where you're supposed to look. That way, that way, that way. I swear it looks like a Demogorgon. Doesn't that look like one? Gosh, I can't stop wanting. I'm hungry, dude. I want food. Think there's anything down here? Like, I know there's not, but like, what if we like scavenged through? What if we found like, what if somebody left something on the ground? A Twix bar, at least. Come on. I know I'm not the only one who's thinking about food. And we have to be alert down here. And food can help you be more alert. Well, I know a Twix bar isn't gonna do anything, but whatever. You know what I mean. Come on, man. Just think of anything that we could use if we come in contact with Demogorgon. Like, literally anything. 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 And I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. I'm trying to be as quiet as possible because I don't know what's down here. I don't know what's down here. I do not. I absolutely don't. Dude, I think I found something. I think I found something. I think I found if he's big, this thing, yeah, you're right, it's probably not gonna help anything. I mean, yeah, it's worth a try. Come on. No, I say. Alright, we at least. Come on. You are such a Debbie Downer. I hate you. I'll at least get the flashlight and I'll shine our way out. Somebody might see us from up there. See it over there?